What is up, everybody? This is Fire Hands Blazing, hitting y'all up with another video, and we already did the B550 Strix unboxing. The only thing we got left is the GTX 3060. It's not a TI version, but I think it'll get the job done for people that's looking for an upgrade from a GTX 1050. There's your specs and your VRAMs on the back. That's the design. That's what it's gonna look like. Let me go ahead and get this bad boy open. Bad boy open, and I have already messed up. So, not too many people was able to get a hold of this GPU. Well, it is a computer too. But this is what we got, guys. This is the box. It says Strix on the top. Now, here we go. I'm about to crack this bad boy open. Crack it open. All right, and first problem, trying to get this thing open. And I know ROG Strix is gonna get us with the disc. Yep, they got us again with the disc. Yeah, I think they did have a disc. No, they got us with the motherboard with the disc. So luckily there's no disc in this one. You don't have to plug nothing up. I think everything is digital up here. And thank you for purchasing the Asus graphic card. Okay, so with all this stuff out the way, this is the moment you're waiting for. Boom, this bad boy right here. Big and beefy. Nice and thick. 2.7 millimeters of slot space. We got some Velcro right here. I don't know where we're gonna put that at. Hopefully it don't mess with that. Here we go. Moment of truth, y'all. This is the ROG Strix 3060. Once again, not the 3070 because it do look similar to this one. Peel game, not so great, but boom, it's out the plastic. It's ready to go. We got 2 HDMI ports. And then you got 3 1.4 display ports. So all 3 of these. Good. You got a performance mode on the top and a quiet mode switch. Triple fans. You got 1 fan spinning in the opposite direction, which is the one in the middle, and the other 2 spin in the same direction. We have an 8-pin power connector. Metal back plate. That's how cooling. That's how it's gonna work. That fan right here is gonna blow the air up. So when I put the GPU in, that fan is gonna blow the air up. So which is gonna dissipate into that computer right there. Yes. All right, guys. The last little parts on the box. We're going to go ahead and open it up, and there's nothing in there. All right. So that's all you get. So you get GPU 3060. These little Velcro straps right here to help hold something up. It's probably the GPU for Public of Gamers. Your usual cards. A little card right there. Almost like a Yu-Gi-Oh card, almost, just about. Speed setup. Quick start guide. And a thank you. And thank you, YouTubers. I would like to thank the YouTubers that's watching this video. And for that, I have a Xbox One Ultimate 2-month giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 1 code at the end of this video. Whoever stuck with me First come, first serve. Whoever gets it, gets it. Just remember that code, you're gonna have to use a brand new account to sign up for Xbox Live. Thank you guys. I'll see y'all next time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Fire is Blazing, signing out. Peace. Haha, that's whoop.